Hello, welcome to CodeDigits Accelerating video. This project is created for CodeDigits Hackathon. This add-in will help us to create bulk Jira issues from Excel sheet. I had created detailed article on how to use this add-in. Link will be provided below. We do have two options to use this add-in. Either we can use Excel desktop app or Excel online. For Excel desktop app, we need to download Jira issue template and CodeDigits Excel add-in manifest files. While for Excel online, we have to download Jira issue file and CodeDigits Excel add-in manifest file from the article. As this add-in is not available in add-in store, to use this add-in, we have to sideload this add-in. To sideload it in Excel desktop app, just create one folder which contain manifest file and go to the properties of this folder. Hit sharing button and click on share and just click on share button. Now copy the link of this folder and click on done and close. Now to add this add-in in Excel, just open any blank worksheet in Excel, go to the file tab, then in option, go to the trust center, then trust center setting. Now paste the URL which we just copied. That should start with the file and click on add catalog button. Now enable show in menu check marks and click on OK. Now to get started with this add-in, open Jira issue template file which we just downloaded. Now go to the insert tab, then in my add-in, here you can see shared folder. Now click on that and you can see CodeDigits Excel add-in here. Just click on that and click on add button. This will add our add-in in the home tab. Now click on start add-in button to get started. To sideload and get started with Excel Online, upload Jira issue file in any of the folder of OneDrive or OneDrive for Business. Now open this file. Go to insert tab here in office add-in. Click on upload my add-ins, browse for that manifest file and click upload. This will add our add-in in home tab. Now click on start add-in to get started. If you want more information for the same, you can navigate to this URL. As process to use this add-in in both Excel desktop app and Excel online are same, I am going to demonstrate one of it. Here you can see we are in Jira issue template in Excel desktop app. Here you can find there are two worksheet already there. One is Jira issue which contains Jira issue table and another one is data which contains users table. At the first, none of the table contains any data. Now to get started, click on start add-in button. Here you will find instruction. Click on start using add-in. Here next screen will ask you two things. One is account URL which can be something like this, your account URL. Another one is authorization code. You can create authorization code from this URL. If you want how to create this, go to this link. It will showcase how to create authorization code. Enter the authorization code and click on configure add-in button. This will get projects and users from your Atlassian account. It will bind all the projects in this drop down and all the users in user table. Now enter the issue that you want to create in this row. For summary and description, it will be single line of text. For issue, it will be drop down of bug, task or story. For priority, you can add from these four values. Now for user, you can enter any of the user that you want as assignee. You don't need to enter any detail for status and details, as this will be filled after you run the add-in. Now as you can see, I had already added some rows in this table. Now select the project in which you want to create issue and click on select create issue button. This will get every row from this table and we'll add issue in this project. If the status is successful, then in status column we will find success text, and in detail column we will find the URL for that issue. In any case, if there is an error, in status column we will find error text, and in details column we will find the actual error message. Now click on the create issue button. As you can see, from 5 rows we have 3 successful and 2 error. For each successful we will find the URL for the issue, and if there is an error we will find that the actual error message over here. Now as you can see, I fixed the issue based on the details and also added one new row in the table, and we'll click on create issue button again. This will only run for the rows which has either error or the status column empty. For all the success, this will not create issue again. Now click on create issue button. Now as you can see, this time only 3 rows proceed with 3 success. And to cross verify the things that are created or not, try to open this URL in the browser. As you can see, the issue is created successfully from the Excel sheet. I wrote detailed instruction on how to use this add-in, so if you need any help, you can check this out. Again, thanks for watching this video. Thank you.